Okay, guys, so now we're going to mess with the, I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but let's just get it out of the way. Now today, oh yeah, let me start again. Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. So this is a short one, just to say we're going to mess around with the audio warp in the same thing that we did. So this is the baseline video part 2. We're going to mess about with the audio warp this time. So we got, as we had before, we've got the same baseline. So what we do now, we turn on the audio warp and we start messing with settings on here. Now there's some pretty interesting settings on here. You've got the format, which is like the wow kind of vowel effect. You've got, you know, voice effect or whatever you like. You've got original BPM and you've got legato, some other little modes to mess about with. And I would have a little twiddle around with some of this. Bit of drive, I think. There you go. Oh. Legato. We've got the amp here. What's that do? Okay guys, so as you see, the possibilities are pretty much endless now. So the next thing I'm going to quickly show you guys is also just dragging and dropping some other samples onto here just to see what happens. So for experimental purposes, we're just going to go to that. So let me just go to my baseline sounds again, my pre-sampled baseline. It's always good to have a load of baselines that you've got pre-sampled just so you can experiment, because I don't always like to use sort of stock sounds as such straight from the synthesizers without sort of messing about processing them. Nothing wrong with it, but you know, just depends on what you're looking for. Okay, so this is a boom bass. Let's see what we can do with a boom bass. Obviously we want to zoom in now. Let's see if we can zoom in. G and H is a handy key to know in Cubase, guys. G and H always, you know, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so let's yeah, that's a fat one. Yeah. Okay, so all over again from the COP. Tweaks all around. Now obviously solo is for vocals, but there's no fixed rules about this. Experiment to your heart's content. I'll say go back to the other one. I like that. There's so much you can do. So literally we just changed the baseline, mess about with a few parameters, and that was pretty much that. Let me just give you one more thing before we go as well. On the sampler now, let's have a look, see what we've got here. Quick controls, we've got some attack, resonance, filter. Again, all of this stuff we can automate as we did in our previous video. Let's have a track versions. There must be a level for this somewhere, I'm assuming, which I can't seem to see anywhere. MIDI reset, let's see, fixed pitch, reverse sample, we could reverse, yeah. Bit of compression on that could work. Now this must be on the mixer, this is inspector, where's our mixer? Let's have a look, if this comes up on the mixer. Is the sampler just for experimentation? Let's see. Okay, what we got here? So it's our mix console. Yeah, so we got a sampler here. But the thing is, what seems to be missing is the fact that we can edit it. You can't. Oh, okay, you can do. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so we put a compressor on there. All new territory, people. Sharing this with you. I could use. Let me use something. A stock compressor. I'm gonna go for the compressor off the strip. Right, so we got a little compressor in there, bit of saturation, gives it that illusion of fatness, probably OTT right now. Nice, different filters. Okay, back to that. Let's reverse a sample. Alright, I'm going to show you one more plugin before we go. I'm going to show you one more plugin before we go, right? This is the... where is it? Wow. Okay, so we're going to try wow on this. WOW, wow, bit of wow on the bass there. Look, let's try this out. Here we go. Ready? There you go, peeps. Little bit of wow goes a long way. So anyway, people, I hope you liked the video. That is part 2 of our bassline smash 'em jiggums bassline video. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, so when I upload more videos, you definitely get involved and get in on the plan. Take care. God bless. Peace. We still doing that. We still doing it. Yeah, man.